Hi guys, in this tutorial we will look into creating a slab. The instruction for next command will appear in the command prompt. To do a slab, just go to Concrete and click on the slab. Its properties gets loaded on the right side. You can control its name, thickness, material, finish and class. Just click on the three dots to load the material. Double click on the profile and click Apply OK. And you could load the class by just typing in the values or choosing it from the drop down. For position, let me draw a slab and explain. Select the start point, midpoints and press middlemost button to finish the command. You must require a minimum of 3 points to draw a slab. You could have n number of midpoints. Now after drawing a slab, select the slab. You see the pink dots, that is a work point. And based on the work point, you could control the depth. If I choose middle, it's going to be in the middle. And if I choose front, it's going to be in the front face. It is based on the local axis. If I type in a value, it is going to be moved further away from the work points. If I give a positive value in the positive direction and negative value in the negative direction. Thus we could control the position of the slab. Now press Ctrl D for direct modification and you could control the node. You see the midpoints, just drag in the midpoints to create a new node, or select the node and click delete key to delete the node. Now select the node to modify its chamfer properties. Select the type of chamfer and provide the radius or length to modify the chamfer. To control the chamfer, look onto chamfer videos. Now let me explain lofted slab. Select the lofted slab. And you need two construction lines to create a lofted slab. The properties are similar to the straight slab, only the face type differs. Select the two construction line and press middlemost button to create the lofted slab. Here, the bounded by curved surface indicates the flat surface. If I change to perpendicular, you get the face perpendicular to the slope that is created. Now, let me explain floor layout. Select the floor layout and choose the start point, midpoints and middlemost button to finish the command. After drawing the floor layout, double click on the floor layout to open the property dialog box. You can modify the property dialog box. You could add the layers or delete the layers to create a separate floor layout. Since it is a macro, you could control the different types of layers and create a single floor layout. Thus, I have modified some of the changes and showed you in this layout. After typing in all the values, you could press modify to apply the changes. Now let me demonstrate with the real-time example. Select the slab and include its thickness from the design documents. Here it is 250 mm. Select the start point and the midpoints where the slab has to be placed and click on the middlemost button to finish the command. Check the level of the slab and its properties. Thus we have seen drawing a slab and modifying its properties. Thank you guys. See you at next session.